This is the mesh gradient that we are making. It looks complex, but it only takes a few clicks. And to make it even easier, I've linked a free starter file in the description so you can follow along step by step. And to credit the original design, this one is borrowed from Dribble, and the link is also put in the starter file, so don't miss it. Alright, if you already downloaded it, let's fire it up and get started. First, check out the setup. Most of the screen elements here are already, as you can see in the layers panel. The gradients we are building will go right in this place, inside this frame as the background. Okay, now let's open our character today. Mesh Gradient plugin. Looks a little intense, right? Don't worry, I will walk you through it. Start with the number of the mesh points right here. These control how complex your gradient looks. More points means more detail and variation. Okay, so you can tap it through by hitting this randomize button. So you can see different patterns have been showing up. So I will usually start here to get a feel for the vibe that I want. So the next one we could look at is the control visibility right here. And there are three options. I usually choose the handles because the lines was just too clutter the view too much for me. Okay, now we could take a look at the colors here. So there are full swatch at the left that you could apply the colors on the edge. And the grid point here 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, etc. It controls how many color points that you can use inside the mesh. As you can see, if you click on 1 by 1, there's 1 point, and 2 by 2 means 4 points of color that you can use, and so forth and so on. Okay, I'm keeping this one soft and simple, so I will go with 1 by 1. And I will just hit the randomize and see the patterns and the colors that I like. And if you want, you could start it to export. But I'm gonna just check which one I like it. Okay. So I'm gonna start with this one. Then I'm gonna to apply the colors that I want to change the color on the edge and the 1 point color inside the mesh. So one thing that you need to remember before you use this plugin is that I would suggest that choose your pattern first, then apply your colors. Because if you do it in the other way around, your color will reset every time you hit randomize. Like, let me just show you. See? It just get rid of the color that I choose. That's super annoying, honestly. That the usability here doesn't feel great. Just something to keep in mind so you can feel a bit less frustrated using this plugin. Okay. So that this one is something that's similar that I want. I also like the gradient that dip into a darker color in the middle because they give this like a subtle 3D effect. So I'm choose a darker color here. And then the full edge point that I'm gonna balance it with some vibrant color. Okay, I feel this one looks good. Then let's export this. Okay, now we are going to copy this fill and paste that into our gradient frame. And if you want different direction of the mesh gradient, you can change it right here. And that's it. Over the last 3 weeks, we covered 3 types of gradient: liquid, shape, and now mesh. If you missed the other 2, make sure to check that out. I put the link in the description below. And if this video helped you and made gradient a little bit less intimidating, please hit that like button and share it with your design buddies. And if got any specific effect you would love me to cover, drop a comment and I might turn it into the next design tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.